The PSL awards are useless. I-PSL idlala ngathi bafithu mayenza lama award lawa bamosha isikhathi sethu le PSL nabayenza lama award lawa. And the reason I say this is simply because le panel yama journalist or abo bantu abahlalayo abakhethayo ukuthi ubani owinayo bona self yabona ukuthi abo baba nabo mama abadala bangalazi ibhola. To be honest with you, I don't understand how Nkosinathi Sibisi would be nominated for a defender of the season. Nkosinathi Sibisi bafethu kunalabe sikhala ngaye isikhathi esiningi throughout the season. Sikhala ukuthi no, Orlando Pirates misses Mbogazi, but Nkosinathi Sibisi is in the run for a defender of the season. What did he do right? Just because Orlando Usipo chain kept a lot of clean sheets, it doesn't mean ukuthi credit should go to his defense. Amateam amaningi this season asabi ukuthatha game by Orlando Pirates, and Orlando Pirates was just the dominant force and they were just the dominant team throughout the season. These awards are useless because bazo wabamba virtual. When was the last time our players dressed up kahle bagqoka bahamba baya ku venue ebookiwe kwaba nama presenter amajita kwazi ukuthi nawo win ama award bagibele stagini benza ama acceptance speech wabo? This is the only time our players feel special and the only time our players feel recognized. For me, for these awards to have value, influence ama player, to have values in the lives of the supporters and to have value in South African football at large, mele bavumele thina ma supporter ukuthi si judge, not some old people abahlala lapha ku panel but decide bona ukuthi nangu umuntu oyideservayo. Baba selector on what grounds? Imagine if Babasipa list, for example, but maybe here are 9 players, only 3 can be nominated. Vote for the 3 that should be nominated, and then once the nominee list is out, vote for the 1 player that you feel that should win this award. But we would have held it down as a supporter, and that means that us as supporters, sine voice, bas vumela guti sibe involved kulezi zinto lezi, and bayavumela ukuthi kube yithi ama supporter bakhethayo ukuthi ubani owinayo, because at this point mangabe kusakhetha ama journalist nabo bani badlala ngathi bayasropa. But nonetheless, ngifuna ukwa break it down lama awards lawa, and as I break them down you'll probably understand why ngithi lama award lawa are useless. Number 1, can I start here, right? The nominees for PSL Footballer of the Season: Tebogo Mokoena, Mamelodi Sundowns; Relebohile Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates; Ozona Police, Orlando Pirates. I agree with Relebohile Mofokeng being nominated, although Masbeki season Maikala, he was a bit offish. He had to pick up his form straight after AFCON, but ever since I pick up before me, he's been scoring goals, he's been creating, like he's been involved with build up, he's been the main man for Orlando Pirates. I also agree with Ozona Police. Personally, for me, Ozona Police deserves it, and the reason I say this is Ozona Police has been consistent from the start of the season. In every tournament or competition that Orlando Pirates has played this season, Ozona Police has been the guy. Bega kora, bega assista, bega involved, good build up. He was consistent. Bega hlupa. There were moments where Ozona Police was coming off the bench. Angena from a bench in either you are creator or you are kora. Bamqalise we are creator or you are kora. So aguna allow coach amfake khona Ozona Police at disappoint khona. Then Tebogo Mokoena, of course, Mamelodi Sundowns are the runner-ups the league, and Tebogo Mokoena carried the Mamelodi Sundowns. There were moments where my player with Sundowns looked like Imorala Bobeitli. Tebogo Mokoena was the guy. There were games where Tebogo Mokoena came in, scored a brace, a creator, a chance, everything right. So I agree with this. But for me, player of the season, Ozona Police, he's been exceptional throughout every game, throughout every competition he's played. Even for Bafana, he has been the main guy. Now, let's move on to coach of the season. The nominees: Abdeslam Moadu, Orlando Pirates, makes sense. First season, wins Telkom knockout, wins MTN 8, and then winning league. Amaplama Wagu Chiefs, Cedric Kaze, no Ben Yusuf, but nominate now. I think the reason Baba nominate is because Kaizer Chiefs finished number 3, although I disagree. Nale nomination now, but to explain a man. Then number 3 on the list is Miguel Cardoso, of course, runner up league, and he was the defending champion. And they won important games also. The reason mina ngivumelana no Cedric Kaze nalo Mchitalo no Ben Yusuf kuti babe nominated, Atazwane did better than them. Atazwane had a better season than these 2 coaches. Atazwane, for me, had a better season than even Miguel Cardoso. He took Amazulu bafetu. Kuna la Amazulu beba challenger for number 3. Atazwane played with a young squad with players players that are not recognized. Maro Atazwane wathatha lama player la wawobeka ku platform. Namhlanje abo maqokolo bayafunwa abo Orlando Pirates nanani. Atazwane should have been nominated. I don't understand ukuthi lamachita nominated kanjani. They were the defending champions in Nedbank Cup baphuma first game. Lamachita, there was a time there was a point where they lose 5 games or 4 games in a row with Kaizer Chiefs. Bapumile go CAF Confederations Cup. Fixtures favored them. Kuna labadlala ne Makesi back to back from Makesi playing against TS Galaxy. They had lost like 10 games in a row. After lapo badlala nabo Orbit College. Of course, bekumele ukuthi bawina wonke lawo ma game lawo. So I disagree with them being nominated. That's why lama award lawa are useless. Abobani aba responsible for finalize ama nominees wa ma category. And then we have referee of the season awards. Again, PSL awards are useless. I don't understand ukuthi ubani okhethayo. Abongile Tom is in that list. The same Abongile Tom lo owamosha le game ye Chiefs ne Pirates. Yeah, it was Chiefs ne Pirates la bazo draw 1-1. The same Abongile Tom ongazanga wapha uNdlovu ikhoshini uNdlovu alimaza ama player adlala rough ayenza izinto wrong. The same Abongile Tom ovumele igoal kokuthi Mfukeng had been injured. I mean Mfukeng was just fouled and then Orlando Pirates Batul ama player Orlando Pirates were hoping for a foul bese Chiefs yashaya counter attack yakora. So I understand ukuthi Abongile Tom bamnominate kanjani for lento le. Eugene Mdluli Mureki Likwape. Let's hope between Eugene Mdluli no Mureki Likwape one of them will win, but I can assure you Abongile Tom was nominated because uhambile wayo refa ku CAF. Another one, I mean go AFCON wa refa nanga lama qualifier World Cup yakhumbula lapana in Nigeria waropa game 9-9 kumele kube penalty. He didn't give a penalty and now he's at the World Cup. I think that's the only reason why I'm nominated. He might even win it, which is again angis understand listen to this. And then now we go to goal of the season in the Betway Premiership nominees. Number 1, Cameron Denson, the goal that he scored against the Mamelodi Sundowns when the Mamelodi Sundowns the Orlando Pirates played to a 1-0 draw. That was a splendid goal. Lomfana will shayilelela goal lelana, accuracy be right, inyawo lakhe beliqinile, he was strong kule game leyana. What a goal. For me, if you ask me, that goal definitely deserves to win a goal of the season. And then Gube Usianda Ndlovu yakhumbula lesaskhathi lesana Golden Arrows idlala neStellenbosch where he took on almost 3 or 4 players abathatha bonke abadribula bonke wafika boxing makaqeda lapho wakora. And then besukuba ileli laka Claude Lilepo, the goal that he scored against the very same Golden Arrows bekathushaya icross what makathu across alapana Claude Lilepo langena. That's why ngikhuluma futhi ngithi ubani onominator labantu laba. You could see that was a lucky goal, but anyway we give it to them as keys. It wasn't Golden Arrows, it was TS Galaxy. And then nominees for player of the season. We have Kamkhelo Sibelebele, Orlando Pirates. Relebohile Mfukeng, Orlando Pirates. Ozwenapolis, Orlando Pirates. Ukamkhelo Sibelebele in his first season in Orlando Pirates, he did very well. I remember at the start of the season, he scored a goal against Mamelodi Sundowns, and then in the first game in Orlando Pirates, Betway Premiership, he scored an important goal. He's been very influential. Nange Derby helped Orlando Pirates come back from behind by equalizer. There were games where Orlando Pirates bebatinga umuntu azokora, he'd raise his hand. And the fact that bekakwazi ukusuka from right back heading to attack akora and then track back at defend and also provide assists means that Vele Lomchitalon has been a very good player. Kamkhelo Sibelebele ubuya nago World Cup, an exceptional player. If it wasn't for injury, I believe he would have even went to AFCON. Imagine coming back from injury and still proving why you're important. Uzwe nago World Cup. Kamkhelo Sibelebele, well deserved. And then we have Relebohile Mfukeng. Of course, we saw the season that Relebohile Mfukeng had. 27 games, started 23 games, Korile 10 goals and 8 assists. Come on, he uguma double digits in Mondlo. Of course, deserved. Ozwenapolis, angifuni nokukhuluma ngaye. We all know that he deserved it. And then siyakuma young player of the season. Funny. Relebohile Mfukeng is nominated again go Young Players of the Season award. And then kube lo mfana lo uMahlambi waku TS Galaxy, and then kube uSise waku Golden Arrows. If you ask me kule category lena, Mfukeng is probably going to win it because he's won the Betway Premiership, Telkom Knockout, MTN 8. He's been influential. Orlando Pirates, Ukorama hat-trick. One of the few players this season that have scored the hat-trick. If he's not scoring goals, he's assisting. If he's not assisting, he's involved to build up a goal. Was a very, very, very impactful player this season, especially Makalu 2026, which means towards the end of the season, Relebohile Mfukeng has been very impactful. He's probably going to win that. But if he doesn't win it, I think Mahlambi would deserve it, especially against the Sundowns. Midfielder of the season, Teboho Mokoena, Relebohile Mfukeng, Ozwenapolis. So the same guys that are nominated for Football of the Season are nominated for Midfielder of the Season. Excuse me. Ozwenapolis for me deserves it. He's been the midfield that has been very, very consistent. He's been the midfield that scores important goals. Gubo Boydre, he's the only midfield that I've seen come from the bench and create chances, come from the bench and be impactful and influential. And the reason it's for me now, Ozuna Police, it's because of his reading of the game throughout the season. Lama long pass Begawa Shaya, Lama through pass Begawa Shaya, the way Begatanga Konama player, the way he'd find himself in right spaces. Guna Lamfana throughout the season, Guna Azuna Police, Begano Puma from being a wing, Ange Nazo Dalala immediately, no really Buhilam Fuking. And I'm shocked Wale Kolal Kora against him Azul is not nominated for a player goal of the season because Gunala, he takes on a player, he places the ball, basically a shooter. I don't know how that wasn't nominated. For me, he deserves it. Now, here's the most controversial one. Defender of the season. Khuriso Mudau. How bafetu. I Libone Siema, I agree, no cost nasty. For me, Libone Siema deserves that one. The reason I'm saying that Ulibone Siema has the most pass rate defender wonke kupetwe premiership. He scored important goals. Guna like Orlando Pirates basically Ulibone Siema brought them back into the game and scored an equalizer. He was involved. Gula Orlando Pirates to consider koni goal. Mangitinya bega futi Ulibone Siema bega kwazi ukwenza izinto. A lot of us even thought that he was supposed to go to the World Cup. But he didn't go to the World Cup. I still think that he was better than Nkosinathi Sibisi. Played with Mbogazi, he was solid. Played with Specie, continued being solid. And then I don't know how Khuriso Mudau was nominated. I don't know how Khuriso Mudau was nominated when Mamelodi Sundowns didn't win anything domestically. Mamelodi Sundowns winanga CAF, winanga Nedbank, winanga league. Sorry, by winning CAF. They didn't win the league. They didn't win the Nedbank Cup. They didn't win the Carling Knockout. They didn't win the MTN 8. Angazi ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns bam nominated kanjani Khuriso Mudau. If Khuriso Mudau was solid this season, then they wouldn't have conceded the number of goals that they conceded. I agree with Ulibone Siema, but I believe that someone else from a different team could have been nominated. Maybe even someone like there's a lot, man. Someone like Keanu Cupido could have been nominated because he's really been solid for Mamelodi Sundowns. I don't think Nkosinathi Sibisi should have been nominated. He doesn't deserve this nominee. He's been very poor for Minagule season lena. Usizwe Olubone Siema Nosipo Chain, and also the fact that Orlando Pirates, they have a stat that favors them good to a premiership yonke guti. They win the ball from the final third. So there were moments la Bomakhupa na Bombutuma na Bomfukeng would win the ball before the opposing team would even get to Yafi Orlando Pirates. So Nkosinathi Sibisi didn't really contribute much. And to be fair, at the start of the season, it was Libone Siema and Mbogazi. Only when Mbogazi was signed did Nkosinathi Sibisi start playing. So I don't agree Naliaki. And then Nkolugu Ivalala, because on Nedbank Cup Nanan will do another time. I'm running out of time. Goalkeeper of the season. Sipo Chain, Bradley Cross, Brendan Peterson. It's funny there's no Ronwen Williams, ne? Yet the same Ronwen Williams who's not nominated for goalkeeper of the season comes from representing Bafana World Cup. None of these guys that are in this category nominated for a goalkeeper of the season went and played World Cup. Bayilo Sipoche no cost, but they didn't get time. So what does this tell you? Again, listen to Liz is useless. Listen to Liz. Because I don't understand how as much as Ronwen Williams bega vuza bega consider, but for me he's had a better season. He's had a better season than Ricardo Kos. Put Ronwen Williams in the category. Mfage nanoma saws gutangega as a win. But if you ask me who deserves it the most, I believe Nomfana with Chiefs. If we are being fair, Brendan Peterson deserves goalkeeper of the season. But because the team that wins the league will always get most of them award about nominated Usipo Chain uzoitola. Usipo Chain mfana against Richards Bay bonile guti Richards Bay menzini. Every shot la pena they scored 2 goals and amanya makul bekumele ukuthi Sipo Chain awasave, but lo mfana lo Brendan Peterson, there were moments like Chiefs was playing kak kube uya kuphela lo mfana lo uyisave a team. The number of saves that is made, the number of times that he saved the Kaizer Chiefs, the number of times that he's kept the Kaizer Chiefs in the game. He did it against Mamelodi Sundowns in the 1-0 draw, did it against Orlando Pirates in the 1-0 draw, but tige bafethu akusi just decide ayo. Mina I still maintain lama award lawo PSL are useless. They hold no value. They are not important. If they were important, ngabe kumanje ngabe kune venue say announcile ukuthengiswa amatikiti ukuthi siye sobabona abomfukenga going overseas. Bayoqala ama career amasha nama season amasha abroad nabo a police. The best that we can do is at least isibabone bagqokile ba formal bagibele stagini bamkela ama award, sharing amagama wabo ogcina with the country ukuthi I'm happy with this and that, but it's not going to happen because the PSL is disorganized. For me these awards are useless, and sometimes kunokwina abantu uzuzibuzisa ukuthi lo muntu lo wina kanjani. Abanye abantu like abo Sibisi, you ask yourself how were they even nominated? So I don't think these awards are important anymore. I don't think they hold any value anymore. Whoever wins, congratulations, but honestly speaking, if sifuna lama award ukuthi abaluleke kwamele ukuthi bavumele thina the fans ukuthi sivote who gets nominated and who wins the award, because lento izofana nama Metro Awards labo zinxuma loba nominate yokuma category 7 akawini ne award eli1 kwinabantu because abo baba ku music industry. How do you know ukuthi abanye bazowina because ama team abo banama affiliation athile? That's South African football for you. So I don't care about these things, they're not important. And if you're a South African player, you nominated, you don't win, just know good you are not a bad player. If you're a South African player, you're not even nominated, you are still important. And ubalekile baningi ama player baba rupile. I can name a few. I don't think it's fair for Lebohile Mofokeng to still be nominated for a Young Player of the Season. We are talking about an international player. We are talking about a player who won World Cup, a player with Dali Kef, a player like who's playing week in week out. He's no longer a young player. Allow Mfundo Vilakazi, as much as Angena is a substitute, Mbege Lapha ukuthi Mfundo Vilakazi, because like the NBA, they have the best sixth man, meaning the best player coming off the bench. Anga kama game Mfundo Vilakazi wa chenchile, anga kama goal Mfundo Vilakazi wa korile. How many times did he come on and play the glamorous way Lakers achieves asazidlala ngayo? Put him there. Faka yena Mfundo Vilakazi, nominate him as the Young Player of the Season, whether he wins it or not. But that nominee alone iyamboost umfana ukuthi yazini bayangibona labantu bayangrecognize. But South African football, because izinto eziningi ziya ngokuthi ubani nokuthi uhamba nabo bani kuzohlezi kunjalo. Mbekezeli Mbokazi has been nominated ku Carling Knockout Player of the Tournament. We remember he scored an important goal. He was still with Orlando Pirates when he won that cup. He's nominated against Undabeyathe Ndlondlo, no Washington Arubi. I don't know. For me, Mbekezeli Mbokazi deserves it. He's probably going to win it. It only took him that Carling Knockout Tournament for him to be scouted by overseas. So I think he's going to win it. Other than that, in the comment section, let me know, what do you think of the PSL awards? Are they important? Is it even worth having these awards? Are they wasting our time? Is it fair? Remember, we don't talk things as Kulumis with fear or favor. So Kuluma facts in for me, the PSL awards for a very long time have been favoring certain players because of certain teams, and that's not fair. Kwamele ukuthi umuntu awine because you deserve ukuyina. That's why it's open for the fans and allow for the fans to vote. Akubenjalo, because we are the fans. Yithi siconsumer lebholo, yithi siyidambi, yithi swalelwa la ma teammate ratini speakisana namanye ama fan when the owners and what bahleli ngamasuti endlini zabo. But thank you for joining me, Bafethu Dankos. Thank you, Cyril's breakfast is ready for you to eat, Abashu.